We do not make this as an excuse that we have a small budget. But in fact, we're taking it as an opportunity, and we are able to accomplish so much. So yung mga programs, initiatives that I've shared with you, these were all developed through the technical assistance, practically no cost to the government. This is because they trust us. Our development partners, even foreign governments, trust us. Our small budget is not a good excuse for us not to develop these programs, initiatives, and even to implement them more expeditiously and in a faster way. Just like as well reported, at 98% resolution rate of our legal department in terms of handling the initial complaint. This is an accomplishment for us. We are proud of it, and this reflects the kind of trust and confidence that our people give to us, and we continue just to work harder, passionately within the mission and vision of our agency. Right now po, under deliberation pa yung aming budget by the BICAM. We do not yet know how much exactly we will be getting, but we will not consider this as a good excuse for us not to continue implementing the programs, initiatives like the electronic complaints management system, the use of artificial intelligence. Definitely they will be used by next year. We have recently launched our Transformation Hub at the UP Techno Hub. You're of course welcome to be there because we want to encourage not only complaints but even startups. No? We will help in the process, offer them our resources freely, our Innovation Hub for them to use and to encourage our small businessmen, the MSMEs. These are very vital to our economy. They comprise 99% of our economy. So we're not only addressing complaints, we're also addressing programs, initiatives that will encourage startups and MSMEs to develop in this country. And in that we support the Department of Trade and Industry, the DICT, of course the DILG. Kasi sabi ko nga, yung role ko ng ARTA is to support interconnect government agencies. We recognize agencies as the lead. So pag meron tayong ginagawang business one-stop shop for a particular sector, we recognize the lead agency for that. And ARTA is just there to interconnect government agencies with the support of the private sector.
Thank you very much po.